everyone, this is Relm from my goodies store, and today's video I'm going to show you how to take off a microwave handle and make some money. It's already taken off because it has already sold. It sold within 24 hours. And basically what you're going to need a screwdriver, and you're going to need a knife or something sharp. So this microwave, I got it very, very cheap. If you're able to get a microwave very cheap, it's worth it, because there are parts in the microwave that you can take apart and resell them. So handle is usually here, but to take it off, so you take the knife and you're gonna put the knife in between here, and you pop it off. And when it pops off, you can see the was here. And then you will take the screwdriver, and then you just use the screwdriver and remove the first screw. And then you take the screwdriver here and remove the second screw, and it should come off very quickly. And there are different parts of the microwave that you can sell also, not only the handle, but the handle is like the easiest thing, one of the easiest things to ship. It's not that difficult to take. You can also turntable plate. The only thing is you have to know how to ship this. If you want me to do a video, I can show you a video how I ship this. You can also sell a roller ring. And there are different parts in the microwave that you can sell. I listed this December the 4th, 2018, and it sold December the 5th in the morning. So it was less than 24 hours. And I'm going to show you how much it sold for. So now I'm going to pull up on the eBay app the sale of the microwave handle. So I'm going to, this is my phone, and here is the sale. As you can see, it sold December the 5th, 2018, and it sold for $26.99 plus $11.99 shipping. Okay. I know the shipping may seem a lot, but the microwave handles like these go for $30 to $40. So I put the price and the shipping to equal $38.98. So it falls in between the $30 and $40 range. So I only took two pictures. And a brief description. This is my description. I said the model number and how long the handle was, and that was it. And it sold within 24 hours. So that was a quick flip, and I bought the microwave for $5. And there are many other parts that I'm going to research to see how to remove them, to see if I can make more money. Okay, question of the day is, have you ever sold any appliance parts, and how long did it take to sell? Drop it down in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in another video. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. See ya!